Antimatter and matter asymmetry, a great mystery of the universe. Humans can discover many things regards the origins and existence of our universe. Whenever we find an answer, more questions are raising. But still, mysteries are present like the antimatter and the matter asymmetry. What is matter? The matter is what forms the basis of objective phenomena together with energy. Matter make the observable universe. Matter forms with elementary particles known as quarks and leptons. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are upper level to quarks and leptons. Those made the atom. A large number of elements and molecules are together to make the bulk matter that we see in everyday life. Matter has three different phases. Solids, liquids, and gas are the main phases. Other than that, there are also plasmas, foams, and clusters that don't define clearly. What is antimatter? The idea of antimatter first comes to light in theoretical analysis of the duality between the positive and negative charge. Antimatter and matter have the same mass. Magnitudes for electric charge and magnetic movement are the same but opposite in sign. Each subatomic particle has corresponding antimatter: electron, positron, proton, antiproton, neutron, antineutron. Scientists believe that antiparticles and particles are created in equal amounts from energy. This is a theoretically claim and experiments support it, but they can't coexist in close range. Scientists had to bombard protons with protons to create antiprotons. Referring to the E=mc2 formula, an incident proton should have 5.6 giga-electron-volts minimum kinetic energy for extra particles of proton mass to appear. It was possible thanks to the Bevatron particle accelerator at Berkeley, California. CERN, European Council for Nuclear Research, created an antiatom for the first time in 1995. It contains an antiproton and positron orbiting around it. So, it is an antihydrogen atom. What happens when matter and antimatter collide? When antiparticles and particles are in close range, in a fraction of a second, they collide. Then a reaction called annihilate happens. A positron, E, and an electron, E+, annihilate and create gamma, Y, rays. Scientists create matter and antimatter by the inverse reaction. Great mysteries of the universe. If matter and antimatter were created in equal amounts, why almost no antimatter can be found in our observable universe? Scientists believe that the Milky Way is all made of matter. This remains a puzzle in science. There are several theories that try to explain this mystery. Conclusion: antiparticles and particles are equal in terms of magnitude but opposite in sign. They disappear by colliding together and creating energy. The existence of our universe shows the imbalance of matter and antimatter, which is called asymmetry.
Thank you for watching. Visit www.scienceaplus.com for more science-related content.